Hello dear students, let us start with the lecture 4. So in this class we are discussing with one of the important bit, that is area of the triangle. For annual examination purpose, in this bit we'll carry one question for 2 marks. So be careful, the most important bit. So let us start with the given formulae. So how to calculate the area of the triangle? If area of the triangle whose vertices are, they have given 3 vertices, those are x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So generally the vertices should be here. This is our triangle. So they have given 3 vertices, just naming like x1 y1 and x2 y2, and this is mine x3 y3. Just I need to calculate the area of the triangle. So that is, the formula is by using determinant delta. We can say that delta is equal to 1 by 2 determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Okay, so this is the formula to calculate the area of the triangle. Generally in straight line we will study about the area of the triangle. A is equal to half into, that is x1 into y2 minus y3 plus x2 into y3 minus y1 plus x3 into y1 minus y2. So similarly, if we are going to be expanding this determinant, we get this formula. Okay, see the remark. Suppose delta gives negative value, this delta. Okay, if this delta will give negative value, take the area has, this is modulus of delta, becomes or positive. It means what? Area will never negative, area is always positive. Remember one thing dear students, area always positive. If we will get area minus 35 square units, make it as a positive 35 square units, because area never negative. If this delta will is equal to 0, the condition are 3 points to be collinear. I told you in the beginning class, collinear means 3 points lie on the same line or parallel to each other. If 3 points lie in the same line, so these 3 points we can call it as collinear. Be careful if delta will give 0. So these two remarks important for CET purpose. Let us start with the problems. So just I have been make it as a types. According to your textbook they have given 10 or 12 examples. They just I will be separated like type 1, type 2 and type 3. So be careful. It's my intention is to be easy to solve these kind of examples. In type number 1, I have taken the example, find the area of the triangle. See, in type number 1, that is I need to be calculate area of the triangle. It means delta is equal to question mark. Whose vertices are, they have given 3 vertices. Remember one thing, if I am going to write the vertices, it is always in the form of x1 y1. Be careful, don't write x1 x2. This is xy axis, x1 y1, xy axis. Similarly 5 comma 4, it means what? x2 y2, and 1 comma 3, it means x3 y3. What is the formula to calculate the area of the triangle? Determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 and 1. This delta is equal to half into determinant of, what is the value of x1? 2 minus 6 1. Just right here, 2 minus 6 1. Similarly 5 4 1. Similarly 1 3 1. So this is the given values. Calculate the value of delta. Half into determinant of expanding 3 cross 3. Okay, I'm going to using the shortcut method. 1 1 1, introducing two columns. 2 5 1, introducing one more column, that is minus 6 4 and 3. Now delta is equal to 1 by 2 as it is. Make it as a big bracket. Here is a small bracket. Multiplying diagonal elements. 2 4s are 8, minus 6 1s are 6, 1s are 6, 1 5s are 5, 5 3s are 15, isn't it? Plus 15, minus of again a bracket, 4 1s are 4, plus 3 2s are 6, minus 5 3s are, sorry, 6 5s are 30, big bracket close. This delta is equal to half into, so again a bracket, 15 minus 6, that should be 9, means 17, minus 10 minus 20, here minus 20, 10 minus 30 is minus 20, minus into minus plus. This delta is equal to half into, what is the value? 17 plus 20, that delta is equal to 37 divided by 2. What is the SI unit? Square units be the SI unit. This is the resultant of the given area, 37 by 2. Similarly, the next example is again, it is also type number 1. See, I need to calculate, find the area of the triangle. It means delta is equal to question mark. So they have given vertices like x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. So what is the formula? Delta is equal to half into determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now substituting the value of the given vertices like minus 2, minus 3, 1, 3, 2, 1, minus 1, minus 8, 1. Now expanding this determinant by using the shortcut method. Minus 2, 3, minus 1, minus 3, 2, minus 8, 1, 1, 1, minus 2, 3, minus 1 and minus 3, 2, minus 8. Now multiplying with diagonal elements, that is delta is equal to half into big bracket, again a small bracket, 2 2s are minus 4, 3 minus 3 into 1 minus 3, minus 3 into 1 is plus 3, 8 3s are 24, that is minus 24, minus of again a bracket. Now multiply with non-diagonal elements, that is minus 2 plus 16 minus 9, big bracket close. Delta is equal to 1 by 2, again a bracket, minus 20, okay, minus 24 minus 1, that should be minus 25, minus of the bracket, minus 11 plus 16, that is 5, isn't it? Delta is equal to 1 by 2 minus 25 minus 5 is a value, that is minus 30. Now cancellation, 15s are, delta is equal to how much? Minus 15. I told you the first remark, area never negative, it means 15 square units. Write the reason, because area never negative. area never negative. Clear? Third example. Find the area of the triangle. Again, which kind? That is our type number 1 example, because I need to calculate what is the area. Delta is equal to question mark. So vertices are x1 y1, x2 y2, and here x3 y3. So this is for homework. Comment your answer in the comment box. Just I need to see how many people will do this example. Now type number 2. Now see here, the difference between type number 1 and type number 2 is I need to calculate what is the value of k. Remember one thing. So this is our type number 2 examples. What is the given value? No, I don't know value of k. Let him to see where it comes the value k. If the area of the triangle is 4 square units, it means what? Delta is equal to 4 square units. And vertices are k comma 0, 4 comma 0 and 0 comma 2. This is mine x1 y1, x2 y2, x3 y3. What is the formula? Delta is equal to 1 by 2 determinant of x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now substitute the value. Delta is equal to half into k0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1. Okay. Now what is the value of delta? Sorry, I did forgotten to write here. What is the value of delta? That is 4 square units. It means plus or minus 4 square units. We don't know, either it may be positive or negative. That's why area value will be written as plus or minus 4. Remember one thing, always we are writing the area value, that should be plus or minus 4. You can see the previous example. What is the resultant of delta? Equal to minus 15, but we wrote plus 15. It means what? We don't know the value is plus or minus. Okay, that's why we will make it as plus or minus 4. Now cross multiply here. Plus or minus 4 2s are 8 is equal to cross multiplication 2 4s are 8. Now determinant of k 0 1, 4 0 1, 0 2 1, k 4 0 0 0 2. This is determinant. So again plus or minus 8 equal to just shortcut multiplication, k into 0 0 into 1 0 plus 0 into 1 1 into 0 0 plus 1 into 4 4 4 2s are 8 bracket close. Again minus sign, 0 into 0 0, 0 into 1 is 0 plus 2 into 1 is 2, 2 into k is 2k plus 4 into 1 is 4, 4 into 0 is 0. Plus or minus 8 equal to 8 minus 2k. It means what? Now plus or minus 8. So I am going to write here plus or minus 8 equal to 8 minus 2k. This plus or minus value will indicated as it contain two value. One is plus value and one more is minus value. Just I am going to be separate. just I am going to take it as a plus value, 8 minus 2k. This is one value, and one more value, minus 8 equal to 8 minus 2k, isn't it? Now 8, this 8 has to be shifted into LHS. 8 minus 8 equal to minus 2k. 8 minus 8 is 0, minus 2k. 0 upon minus 2 equal to k. What is the value of k? K equal to 0. We get the value of k equal to 0, and here again shifted into LHS. Minus 8 equal to minus 2k. Minus 16 equal to minus 2k. Minus 16 upon minus 2 equal to k. Minus minus cancel, 2 ones are 2 8s are. K is equal to how much? 8. It means therefore we get two value, those are k equal to 0 or k equal to 8. It means this value will contain two value, either 0 or 8. You can substitute k equal to 0 and find the area of the triangle. We get the value that should be plus 4. If again you can calculate, if instead of k equal to 8, again find the area of the triangle, we get the value minus 4, isn't it? So it means the 0 and 8 will indicated two kinds of area. One is plus 4, one is minus 4. Similarly, let us go with the one more example. Find the value of k. Remember one thing, in examination just you can identify this is which type. Now this is our second type. We don't know k is equal to question mark. What is the value of delta? Delta is equal to again 4 square units. And what are the vertices? Minus 2 comma 0, 0 comma 4 and 0 comma k. Now here write the formula. Delta is equal to half into x1 y11 x2 y21 x3 y31. Okay, again what is the value of delta? I told you right here, plus or minus 4. Area should be plus or minus 4. 1 by 2 determinant of, right here, minus 2 0 1 0 4 1 and 0 k 1. You can use shortcut method, or else just you should be expanding C1 column. Expanding C1, easily we get the value because these two are 0. Cross multiply, plus or minus 8 is equal to, now I am going to be using C1 column, expanding C1 column, that is 4 1 k 1. Minus 0, just leave it. Plus 0, just leave it. Either you can, or else you can use the shortcut method. Plus or minus 8 equal to minus 2, 4 minus k. 4 minus k. Now multiply with 4 here. Plus or minus 8 is equal to minus 8 plus 2k. Again we get two value. One is plus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 2k, and one more value, minus 8 equal to minus 8 plus 2k. RHS value as it is, we need to change the LHS value. Shift it into LHS. 8 plus 8 equal to 2k, 16 equal to 2k, 16 upon 2 equal to k, 2 ones are 2 8s are, k is equal to 8. We get the value k is equal to 8. Minus 8 shifted into LHS, that should be plus 8 equal to 2k. Minus 8 plus 8 is 0, 2k. 0 by 2 equal to k, k equal to how much? 0. Therefore, we get the value k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 8. Third example. Again, you can see which kind of example they have framed. Find the value of k. It means this is our type number 2 example. If the area of the triangle is 35 square units, it means delta equal to 35 square units. What are the vertices? Sorry, plus 2 comma minus 6, plus 2 comma minus 6, 5 comma 4 and k comma 4. This is mine x1 y1, x2 y2 and x3 y3. What is the formula? Delta is equal to half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1 and x3 y3 1. Now substituting the value of delta, that is plus r minus 35 1 by 2 determinant of x1 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1. Okay, so multiply with cross multiplication. 35 to the 70, that is plus or minus 70, determinant of 2 minus 6 1 5 4 1 k 4 1, introducing two columns 2 5 k minus 6 4 4. Now here plus or minus 70 is equal to big bracket 2 4s are 8, 8 into 1 is 8, 8 minus 6 into 1 is minus 6, minus 6 into k is minus 6k. Okay, 5 into 1 is 5, 5 4s are plus 20 minus again bracket k into 4 is 4k, 4k into 1 is 4k, 4 into 1 is 4, 4 2s are 8, that is plus 8. Okay, 1 5 is a 5, 5 6 is a 30, that is minus 30. Now simplify, plus or minus 70 is equal to 20 plus 8 is 28. This is the value, k should be as it is, because we cannot add and subtract with k value. K is the unknown value, we don't know the value of k. We couldn't add 28 plus 6 is 34. So many students will wrote 34k. Be careful, don't add and subtract. This is constant value, this is unknown value with k. Minus 30 plus 8, that is minus 22. Here 4k minus 22 plus or minus 70 is equal to 28 minus 6k, multiply with minus sign, minus 4k plus 22 plus or minus 70 is equal to 28 plus 22. How much? That is 50, isn't it? That is 50 minus 10k. Now we get two values, that is plus 70 is equal to 50 minus 10k and minus 70 is equal to 50 minus 10k. We get two values. 70 minus 50 is equal to minus 10k, substituting in LHS, that is 20 is equal to minus 10k. Here minus 70 minus 50 is equal to minus 10k, that is minus 120 is equal to minus 10k. Now what is the value? The value here 20 upon, that is minus 10, equal to k. 10 ones are 10 twos are, k is equal to minus 2. Or else minus 120 upon minus 10 equal to k. 10 ones are 10 12s are, that is minus minus cancel, k is equal to 12. Therefore we get two value, k is equal to minus 2 or k is equal to plus 12. Now important bit, that is type number 3. So while we are comparing 1 and 2, 1 is find the area of the triangle. The second one is find the value of k. Now third one is find an equation of a line. Equation of a line means straight line, ax plus by plus c equal to 0. This is our equation of a straight line. Now he is asking what is the equation of a line. It means straight line. They have given 2 points. We don't know the third point, isn't it? Solution is 1 comma 2 and 3 comma 6, and also you can choose a line x-axis and y-axis, that is x comma y. Okay, that is better. You can choose delta should be 0 along with the point is xy. One more vertex is xy. This xy has treated as x1 y1, x2 y2, and here x3 y3. Okay, why we need to choose xy? Because I need a line xy, x-axis and y-axis. That's why I have choose x and y. Now the formula delta is equal to half into x1 y1 1, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now substituting the value, 0 is equal to half x1 y1 xy1 1 2 1 3 6 1. Now simplifying 2 into 0, that is 0 is equal to using expanding the given determinant with shortcut method. Okay, 0 is equal to shortcut method, x into 2 2x, 2x into 1 is 2x, plus y into 1 is y, y into 3 is 3y, 1 into 1 is 1, 1 into 6 is 6, minus 3 2s are 6, 6 into 1 is 6, 6 1s are 6 into 6x, 1 1s are 1, 1 into y is plus y. 0 is equal to 2x plus 3y plus 6 minus 6 minus 6x minus y. Just we are multiplying it all the cofactor by minus sign. 0 is equal to plus 2x minus 6x, that is minus 4x, plus 3y minus y, that is plus 2y, plus 6 minus 6 cancel. Okay, now we get the straight line, that is 0 is equal to, you can take 2 common, minus 2x plus y, and cross multiply 0 by 2 equal to minus 2x plus y. It means 0 is equal to minus 2x plus y. Substitute from LHS, 2x minus y equal to 0. This is our equation of a line. If you find this line, easily you get 2 marks. Be careful. Just we are going to be expanding. The thing is, I should make it as area is 0 and we can take a point, that is x comma y. Similarly, the second question. Again find an equation. Remember one thing, an equation means this is mine, type number 3. So delta is equal to 0 and we choose a point x comma y along with the given 2 points. See here, this is the way to write the given data x2 y2 x3 y3. Now here delta is equal to half into x1 y1 1, x1 y1 1, sorry, okay, x2 y2 1, x3 y3 1. Now delta is equal to 0, 1 by 2, x1 y1 means x y1 3 1 1 9 3 1. Now cross multiply. 0 into 2 is 0. Expanding the given determinants x, y, 1, 3, 1, 1 and 9, 3, 1. Okay, y, 1, 3. Now 0 is equal to x plus 9y plus 9 minus of 9 plus 3x plus 3y. 0 is equal to x plus 9y plus 9 minus 9 minus 3x minus 3y. Just multiplying with minus sign to all the cofactors. 0 is equal to x minus 3x, that is minus 2x, plus 9y minus 3y, that is plus 6y, plus 9 minus 1, 9 cancel. Now, so substituting these two into the LHS, 2x minus 6y equal to 0, take it as 2 common, x minus 3y equal to 0 and x minus 3y equal to 0. This is our equation of a line. Next, again find the equation of a line. So this is for homework. Okay, and solve this example and comment your answer in comment box. Just I want to see how many people will do or understand such kind of concepts. The last bit, that is type number 4, most important. And type number 4, they have given only one example in your textbook, that is collinear. See, I need to show that these 3 points are collinear. I told you in the given remark, if delta will be 0, that should be indicated that these 3 vertices are collinear. It means what? Delta is equal to, I need to show delta equal to 0. That is 3 points, A of B plus C, B comma C plus A, C comma A plus B. This is nothing but x1, y1, x2, y2, x3 and y3. Now delta is equal to 1 by 2 determinant of x1, y1, 1, x2, y2, 1 and x3, y3, 1. Delta is equal to half into A, B plus C 1, B, C plus A 1, C, A plus B 1. Okay, just I am going to do here, C1 dash tends to C1 plus C2, or else if it is difficult you can expand the given determinant, we get the value 0, or else we can use the properties of determinants. Delta is equal to half into C1 dash, this is our C1 and this is my C2. Adding these two, we get A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C, A plus B plus C. This is B plus C, C plus A and A plus B, 1, 1, 1. Delta is equal to 1 by 2. Take it as a common. The common term is A plus B plus C. What is the given value? 1, 1, 1. If it is common A plus B plus C, the remaining value is 1, 1, 1. It is B plus C and C plus A and A plus B, 1, 1, 1. This delta is equal to half into A plus B plus C. The value of this determinant is 0. That is delta equal to 1 by 2 into 0 is 0. It means what? So this condition will indicates the property two columns are identical. Identical means same, then the value of determinant is 0. If two columns or two rows are identical, the value of the determinant is 0. Directly I am going to write here 0. 0 into anything is 0. So dear students, in this class I told you one question will be fixed for annual examination that should carry 2 marks. Thank you for watching this video.